Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in Wise application. For that, make sure you get the application. Here now, all you need to do is tap on Get Started. Now here you can see three options: login, register or sign in with Apple. If you haven't registered for your account, you need to tap on that option and they will be guiding you further to register it. You can also sign in using your Apple ID, or you can simply tap on login if you already have the account. Now here all you need to do is enter your credential, that is your email and password. Now in case if you have trouble logging in, you can tap on this option and they will be guiding you further to recover it. At the downside, you can also see you can log in using your Facebook, Google or your Apple ID. Now all you need to do is tap on login. And now you can see that you are logged into your Wise account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.